Here we have the new Moerman Multi Scraper with a 4-inch blade. It can be used as a handheld scraper or be paired with a traditional squeegee handle. There's a blue guard to keep the blade covered when not in use. To attach the scraper to your squeegee handle, push the groove of the scraper into the jaw of your squeegee handle. We advise covering the blade when not in use. To switch out a blunt blade, use the edge of the blade protector. Here you can see the blade has 2 sides. Flip the blunt blade 180 degrees, then carefully slide it back into the slot. Then you're good to get back to work. You can fit a range of squeegee handles from Unger, Ettore and other popular brands. You can also remove the blade from the resting plate and flip it over to the unused inner blade, giving an option of 4 blades in total. So that's the Moerman Multi Scraper. It's available to buy via our website www.windowcleaningwarehouse.co.uk. Thank you for watching.